Mani among room, guys.
Very makalat.
Very makalat na. Kani kay mga fresh naman nilang ano, aura-aura. Diba, girl?
Yes. Nabili ko sa cellphone.
May TV. May mini fridge. May basurahan. Sige, go.
Hindi ba ganahan ka? Okay, go.
Ah. Excuse, mga kalat-kalat.
Ngayon sa TikTok ko nakita ko yung sa phone.
Ayan.
Naligaw ko sa imong nipple tape.
That's it. Dulong kayo.
Complete the look.
Diba? Very pretty kayo, eh.
Very easy kayo.
Basig ano, kailangan ninyo ka ng mga forever dira. Nanginahanglan po silang duha.
Apam.
Kaya kayo may pagkamungguloid lang. Kamu na bahala sa boat. And this is our balcony.
Balcony, our balcony.
Among halayan. Made of wood.
Made of wood.
Dahagdanan. Bakuha sa pikas. Ayan. Okay man ang room na mo, but wala lang na-meet ang mga expectation. Pero okay lang. It's giving kanang old sabay parang mga karaan ganina ano, like mga ancestral house nakaraan na. Ayan. Ha? Diba? Abnormal yun na siya, makalit-kalit nang nagsulpot. Wala siya ang ano, modern Rizal. Muna mo ang area. Very bagno. Na expectation versus reality gid me. Kay na-expect ko nga na ay rice field. Kay gwapo kayo ang ilahang ano. Pero tanawa ilang rice field. Gwapo kayo ilahang ano sa website. Ay, very. Ang rice field. Akong gi-expect. Walang rice field. Pero okay lang, choco na. Gwapo po lang room diri o sa baba. Mas gwapo ang ilang ano. Dili na lang dito. Lalo ilang pool.
Hello?
Natitindahan oh.
To drink water. Water out.
This is our breakfast. No rice. Do you like it?
Yep.
Yummy.
This is my Pucci breakfast.
And yours?
Ghosty breakfast.
Dami lagi na ay. Kato man ay iwa sa gitna na. Sige daw eh. Sampulan.
Oh, it's very giving.
And this is mine.
At the ATV, where is it located?
Only 15 minutes from
15,
here.
so it's not that traffic.
Yeah.
ATV.
Okay. So, pwede na ito ibili na itong gamit diri.
Yan pa siguro dyan.
Korea. Buy money.
Hello, Manny. Now guys, we're heading to Tigalalang.
Galana.
Yeah. Tigalalang is our next
Swing ka.
Oh, swing. No, not Tigalalang. Swing.
And first, for everyone, I will show you animal coffee process from the Luwak coffee. Okay. Yes. And for information, we choose coffee Arabica. So, and everyone, this is the small leaf is Arabica coffee tree and has a big leaves like this is Robusta coffee. Two type different coffee tree. And Arabica and Robusta. And also Arabica has a big fruit and Robusta coffee and has less caffeine than Robusta coffee. We choose Arabica only.
Okay.
But price more expensive.
Ah, okay.
From green fruit, we waiting become red color. This is the fruit. Everyone, yes. Coffee fruit has a 3 color and 3 layer. 3 color from green, yellow, and become red. Ready, and 3 layer red. The first layer inside the second layer and the third inside again. And after the animal chew the first layer, the red one, after red has a sweet flavor. We get put animal with a coffee bean has a 2 layer one. And also we have special flower letter for the expensive one. Vanilla. This one vanilla and vanilla flower. And this the vanilla flower we need helping hand pollination. After hand pollination will become the vanilla bean.
Oh, okay.
But the flower until vanilla bean around 8 to 9 months.
Before you harvest it?
Yes, until we have red flower and will become vanilla bean.
Welcome to Wilson.
What is that?
Yes, that one and that one. This one, the civet cat or mongoose, we call in English. But we have, we have local name at there. We call them luwak animal. Boy, wake up, sorry. At there looking.
He's
Look at you. Yes, at there.
Ano?
Looks similar like a cat or raccoon.
Okay.
But luwak animal, they are nocturnal. That's why on the day the animal sleeping.
Are they endangered species?
Actually no. They will attack when somebody like a naughty. They will survive.
Okay.
Yeah. Not like they will like aggressive, no.
Mm.
But this animal luwak, they have special stomach and benefit coffee after this animal process. Coffee from the animal has less caffeine than regular coffee.
Katong tibet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Magbagpo.
Here we not call poop, kuya. We call tai.
Tae. Tae is still a poop.
Yes, and this one everyone.
So,
So funny.
Yes. After luwak coffee process, luwak animal process, and they will poop like this. Because this dried already doesn't smell, and coffee bean still inside, we still process. First, we need clean. We kill the bacteria by hot water. This one, the clean one.
Looks like a peanut.
Yeah, look like a peanut, kuya. Because we don't use machine for process and remove the skin, we ground it until we get the coffee bean inside. Okay. Coffee bean inside, and this what the hard layer is second and third layer. The last layer, I mean 3 layer. Yeah, this one coffee bean inside. We don't process the poo animal, but coffee bean still inside and poo, comes out from the animal's poo.
oh, I see.
And so for make a brown color after clean, this one clean and without skin. This one ready. We make a different color, brown color. We do roasting. Yes, she doing roasting.
Also, you do it manually.
Yes, manually, because we want quality and benefit coffee still better than regular. And this one after 45 minutes as well. Kuya, okay.
Wow. I'm already awake.
More energy and good
Yeah.
as well for.
So right after
putting
that,
energy
you're
for it.
gonna
Yeah, ground it.
smash it.
Yes. And we need sieve it before we get the powder. Sorry. Like this one. We get the instant coffee powder, everyone. And this is all process just for the luwak coffee. And regular coffee we process with machine. Easy actually, but the benefit still better from the animal.
Okay.
And now I will show you. We have a flavor for herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Yeah, we have for
Cacao.
inflammation and cancer. We produce from
Ginger?
Luyang Dilaw.
Ah, Luyang Dilaw.
No, not ginger, kuya. Turmeric. Turmeric. This one Luyang Dilaw.
Luyang Dilaw.
And this one,
Hallelujah.
yes, different. Yeah. Ate.
Hallelujah.
And this one, lemongrass. Tanglad. Yes.
Yep. We do
tanglad.
call
Skin
it
mangosteen.
mangosteen.
Yeah.
This one very good for anti-cancer, antioxidant, good as well, benefit for skin. And in Indonesia, this one popular for make a instant capsule, kuya.
Yeah.
Because
We
very
have
good
also
benefit for the ladies, yeah. For beauty, instant beauty, we call. And hibiscus or gomamela, we have 5 different tea flavor.
Okay.
Maybe somebody, do you want to do the swing?
Yeah.
Yes, I will show you the swing. And down there.
Koi. Koyawan.
Oh my God.
Yes.
That's the swing.
Everyone, maybe somebody want to do, don't worry. For the swing, before my friend push you, my friend will give you safety belt harness, and you get 2 position, 10 push looking the view, 10 push backward looking the camera. And for click photo and video, I do. Yeah, for click photo and video. Without dress, maybe for her, 200, 300, 200.
They will wear dress clothes.
Oh shit. With dress, 375,000 rupiah. Without dress, 200,000 rupiah. But including already with sport, maybe you want to
270 without?
No, 200,000 rupiah without dress, and 375 with the dress. Maybe she want with the
Together
long
with
dress.
this.
Yes, this one package. Dress, swing and sport photo 375,
Okay.
200,000 rupiah, swing and photo sport.
Okay.
200.
Oh, that's the dress.
This is the color dress.
Brag, mag... Kaniko, kay...
This one good for you.
Yeah.
Nice color.
I love this. Okay sa dam, no? Dam, okay sa dam, no? Sa color.
Yes.
Lain mo ko kanigod.
Sorry, correct kuya or ate? Both. Tas, come on! Beside Kuya, beside like a bird, beside your hand. Yes, okay. I mean like this. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Hold on. One more. 1, 2, and.
So guys, mo yung BTS guys. Tagal is real. Ano na siya, bapo yung picture sa post, pero mo yung behind the scene. Awa guys. Awa guys. Gihaga ka siya.
Because it's longer.
It's very...
Oo, di ba? Pala decision.
1, 2, and 3. Okay, I get it.
Coffee and herbal teas. Sorry guys, anyone smoke here?
No, we don't smoke.
That's good, okay? Sorry. In this side, this is all of your coffee combination. They have name already, okay?
Okay.
But in other side there, that's all of your herbal teas. They have name as well there, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy guys. Okay. Later on if you have a question, let me
So
know.
much.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Yes guys, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You want to do swing also?
We're done.
We're done.
Done it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is vanilla coffee. Vanilla. Ginseng. Aftertaste niya parang may herbal.
Herbal?
Parang may herbal ba?
Dilikat.
Ito sa picture ng ter.
Sa macchiato.
Macchiato?
Ako
Say, coconut coffee.
Macchiato pero ang amoy niya umot. Umot siya sa macchiato. Sini? Avocado coffee. Coffee nga na murag na candy-ish.
Candy. Sweet.
Sweet.
Not that sweet. And this one is
Bali coffee.
Balik. Mag same
Barako.
ganinang buntag. Ganinang buntag na nag-ano na to.
Okay.
Hilig mo kag tea.
Okay, first is ginger tea. Yawan na ito, ha? Alam.
Halang siya.
Ajud siya.
Ah, sa ginger.
Ginger jud siya.
Okay.
What about this?
So na, spice. Spice tea.
Try.
Where can we pay the sweet photo? Yeah, yes. Over there, Pierre.
I love it.
Counter there. Yes.
Spicy siya.
Spice tea. But more na ipaak. Try natin ang Rosella tea.
Kuya.
Rosella.
And yes, everyone.
This is lemongrass tea. So tanglad siya na. Wala ko nag-coffee kay libang. Mas okay ko sa mangosteen tea.
Mangosteen.
Ay, lami siya. Greens.
Alam mo yung mangosteen?
Lami.
May mga magustin.
Taste like mangosteen jud.
Lami siya. Marag rose. Basta lami.
So guys, photography camera worth 1 million. So the change is 50,000. I'll hand over this 50,000. Hindi ko gusto mo itong part na dili ako ha.
50,000.
You want more? Try. Tara. Di na kasundan na.
Hindi ka gawasan. Teka lang. Bye, Daddy. Next stop. Saan Tetra Input. Dahil mo palit ka dahil.
Ceremony pa inside.
Is it done? Okay, thank you so much. Banana for man.
And for the
Dia mau menyewa.
sorry. They from Philippines.
Yeah,
This is maganda.
ay maganda. Thank you. Pag mag-pray na ka ba sa water, wala na siyang i-rent.
My God, baka sala pa din. Sacred pa naman to.
You wanna do ritual, yeah? So do you change clothes this way? It's a locker room. You can see this is around the green color, yeah? The green special to get wet. Okay. And for the process, first you change before you go in the water, yeah. So later you can see, yeah. So later you meditation here. This you need the offering.
Offering.
This offering symbolizes for the respect, you meditation, ask formation to connect to God for blessing and purification.
You can buy some offering, then you do meditation, then you go down to the
Saya 1,000 around 10,000,
So 30
30,000.
each, or we are group 3?
Three.
Mag-ilis sa tab before.
I will explain to you the process you meditation and later inside is step by step and have your offering. Yeah? This is offering. Yeah. For bedroom. And over there second floor to fountain. To fountain the first one to jump around in forgiveness.
You pray and you wish anything?
Yeah. Sweet water. So normally you can see. I take a picture for you.
Okay.
Hello? Richard, hello?
Yeah, wait, I'll take picture together. Okay, so before you get wet, look at it. I will take picture for you together. Okay, good.
So we're done na. Ang mga babayi.
Ang mga babae.
Nag-cleansing. I like it. Cleansing ka? Cleansing.
At 10,000. Perfect. You're the owner of this.
Yeah, I'm for fighting. Oh, I'm 34 hours back.
Behind this
Behind of this battery. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow.
And smoothies.
Yep.
Sige. Sige.
What?
Same. Oh, can I have?
Okay.
Shopping bag. Wala na ako sa shopping.
Do you have any hot water in the store?
The price is very mahal.
Gusto ani.
Kusuka?
Gusto kasaba chips. Kasaba chips lang.
Oh, go.
Gusto mo? Asa man na rin. Kaya